I'm in a Tesla Model X P100D. Next to me is a Lamborghini Urus. Next to that is a Mercedes-AMG G63. And next to that is a Range Rover Sport SVR. Now I've got a 100 kilowatt hour battery, 2 electric motors and 772 horsepower. The Range Rover has a 5 litre supercharged V8 with 575 horsepower. As for the Lambo, well, I'll tell you what, we've got a guest driver in it, so I'll let him explain. It's Yianni from Yiannimize.
Can you tell us a bit about your car, mate?
Hey Matt, so this is my actual Lamborghini Urus that I own.
So I know you lot all in borrowed cars. This is my personal car.
Just under 650 brake horsepower, 4 litre twin turbo.
Do you reckon it's going to be as fast as a Tesla Model X?
Listen, we're going to have to see, but I'm bored. I've sat here for an hour waiting for you to charge your car.
Yeah, he's making a good point. This car, you have to actually warm up the battery to have full-on ludicrous mode, and that can take about an hour.
Electric cars.
Anyway, we've got another guest driver in the Mercedes. It's rapper Professor Green. Hey, Prof Green.
Tell us a bit about your car.
Hello mate, I'm in a G63 AMG, the brand new model. I actually drive the old one. This one looks a lot different to it. I'm not really sure how any of it works or what I'm doing it. It's a 4 litre V8 twin turbo with I think it's 585 brake horsepower. But yeah, like I say, you just said driving Mercedes around an airfield. I didn't expect all this, mate. Don't really know what's going on.
You don't know where he is.
How do you reckon you're going to do?
As long as I don't end up going off the end of the track into that field that I can see in the distance.
I'm sweet as a nut, mate.
I reckon if you are going to go off-road, you are definitely
In the best car for it.
may the fastest car win.
Thank you.
So who's giving us the signal to go?
I'm PG, I'm dead cool. Vodka and Red Bull. Superhero, Deadpool. Learn a lesson, boy, get school. I'm acting. Tennis, racket, 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 racket.
You're going to have no fuel left, mate, if you keep doing that.
Matt, rev yours, mate.
Well, I don't want to spoil the piece
I'm not some kind of like hooligan.
with a bright reflective car.
Look at the amount of reflection of this car.
I know, I'm getting sunburned.
Come on, Tesla.
Come on. Oh, me the Lambo. Wow, the Tesla is gone. Bye-bye, Yianni.
I'm active, I'm active, I'm active,
Oh my God, that Tesla. He got absolutely dropped.
I'm batshit crazy, crazy.
Unbelievable.
What an easy win.
What the... Mate, I can't believe that.
I'm quite shocked as well. This just totally dropped your Lambo.
I'm sorry, I think you bought the wrong car.
No, definitely didn't buy the wrong car.
But that is ridiculously quick.
I got killed. Hold my hands up.
Hey, Prof Green, how was your race?
I don't think I had the worst reaction times.
The car just weren't keeping up.
It's not the most aerodynamic, is it?
It's like driving a hippo down the road.
Having never driven a hippo, I can't really comment.
But you beat the SVR.
Oh, didn't you?
I didn't even realise there was one in the race.
There was an SVR in the race, but it got thrashed, as did everything else by the Tesla Model X P100D, which did the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus took 11.9 seconds. The Mercedes-AMG G63 12.3 seconds. And the Range Rover Sport SVR 12.9 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. They're locked in second gear. I've obviously got no gears. I'm going to count us in.
3, 2,
1, go! That G-Wagon's wicked!
Gonna be this way till I'm a geriatric. I'm active.
Tesla's gone again.
This is the daddy!
That Tesla.
That got even worse for you then, Yianni, because...
Not only we totally
dropped by me, but Prof Green dropped too as well.
Well, to begin with.
Yeah, Pro Green dropped me for about
A split second and I come past him. I'm not even bothering looking at you anymore. I just see you going, I'm just like,
just accept it. You know when you just got to accept it.
it is what it is.
So, Prof Green, he reckons you only had the drop on him.
For a split second, but it seemed longer to me.
I was doing all right, mate, considering I've got, what, 300 kilos more weight in the car?
That's right, I think your car's like 2.5 tons, same as mine. But I've got like almost 1,000 Newton meters of torque.
Mine's about 850 and I weigh about, what, 2.2 tonne?
What happened to
The Range Rover, did you just destroy it?
What Range Rover? Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's still in my rear view now, actually.
Now, just to keep you up to date, that car's got 700 Newton meters and it weighs 2.3 tons, so it was always going to struggle. I think that's a win for me. It's a win for the Tesla. It's a win for electric power.
Fair play, that Tesla. Listen, you do hear about electric cars and stuff. That is ridiculously quick. This looks like it's fast. That doesn't look like it's fast. I'm actually in shock. I can't believe how fast that is. Wow, 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 wow.
That one was for you, Elon. Please retweet this and share it because it'll get shed loads of views. Yeah, whatever. Stupid, noisy internal combustion engine.